equipment should always be designed with safety in mind. For example, where mercury is known or suspected, pipework and vessels can be designed with mercury traps. Control equipment should be in place and ready to use, and spill kits should be readily available and easily accessible. If there is a risk of mercury being present in the air, ventilators should be provided to dilute the air and remove contaminants. Respiratory protective equipment, RPE, is needed where monitoring shows mercury is present. Where required, your employer should also provide personal protective equipment, PPE, which may include disposable coveralls, rubber Wellington boots, chemical-resistant gloves. Site and control equipment should be regularly maintained and monitored. A schedule should be followed for preventative maintenance of plant and monitoring equipment. Mercury meters and respiratory equipment should be calibrated at least once a month and check they work properly before every use. Creating and implementing health and safety control procedures is essential to keep workers safe. When testing for mercury, such control procedures must be followed. For example, oil and gas workers testing for mercury should ensure the line is isolated for safe opening. Once the system is drained, purged, or flushed, and confirmed free of gas, the filters and drain traps should be checked for signs of mercury. Any mercury residue should be cleared up with a spill kit. If you are unsure about any safety procedure, ask your supervisor for more information. All employees should be informed about risks and hazards and supervised to ensure safe work procedures are followed. While this online course is designed to raise awareness of the hazards of mercury, it is not a replacement for industry-specific practical training on safe work practices. Workers should receive training to ensure they can follow safe working procedures, use equipment properly, use RPE and check that it is working, clean up spills correctly, and respond appropriately if something goes wrong. If you are ever unsure, always ask your supervisor.